Now, Harvey mentioned that I should tell you about these roofs. Where is it now? Here. I'll look at the camera, I'll point the other way. The tropical roofs and how they work and why they work. You can see it's got another skin on top of the existing roof, and that's almost like having an umbrella to keep the sun off. So the top sheet will take most of the heat and it's not transferred to the actual main roof. That's part one. But because there's a gap across the front, and when you drive in, the air will blow between the two and carry the hot air out. Now also inside the cabin there are 4 vents. I shall show you that in a minute. It's kind of effective. It's a very good way, because these cars didn't come with air conditioning. So it must have been bloody hot, especially sort of in Africa or somewhere like that. But that's it. So that's what's on the station wagon. So let's go and have a look at the vents. So there are the vents. There's 4 of them. And as you can see here, it's a kind of clever design. They open up so they won't let rain or anything in. Well, it might do. But you see they open up like a wedge, so air is going to be blown into the cabin space. And it's, like I say, it's kind of effective.